Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I again end up buying more stuff for my shop, and one of the items is this industrial rack made by Whalen and sold by Costco. This is very universal storage system. It's not only necessarily built for my commercial garage. People can use it in their own garages or storages. So I realized that you might be thinking about buying it yourself too. Thus, I'm inviting you to the unboxing. And I gotta tell you, I was looking at this product at a Costco for a while, but I never realized how heavy this box is. There was no way I could load it by myself in the truck. I definitely had to ask them for help. Now those straps are gone. I can finally show you which model actually I'm talking about. Obviously that Whalen company is making more of these, and I will call this one 4-tier, right? It has 4 shelves. They also offer the one which has 5. Well, let's not waste any time. The straps are gone. Let's see how it is packed, if it's not scratched, and what it takes to put it together. So here is obviously user's manual or whatever they call it. It shows you some safety and how to put it together. So far it looks nicely wrapped and protected. And this, I believe, these are those wire racks, right? Which will be basically the shelf itself. What is here the next? These must be the beams which goes in the horizontal position. Once again, so far nothing is scratched. It feels very solid and nice, and it feels, the surface feels like a powder coated surface. That means it should last really long time. Let's see what we got here. The next, what is the next layer? The way it's packed. Alright, so I believe, because there is this part here, I believe that's already one of the sides, one of those columns which are standing. Again, exceptional protection. I'm impressed with this. That's cool. And attached to these sides in these papers, it seems to be, these are the cross members which will be supporting those wire shelves. I never bought this or assembled it, so that's my assumption, and we will see later if I'm right. And again, no scratches on this. This is great. Okay, let's go and see what is the next layer. So basically there's 4 more those sides. Here I can see the desiccant pocket, so that should prevent any moisture rust, right? And we have the same situation. This is that side with those members. Excellent. And the very bottom of the box, finally, I have the other, right, the second remaining side. And that's basically all what was inside of the box. And here we can have a walk through what I just unboxed. So here are the cross beams. Little detail, they riveted on it the maker and even the date when it was made. So that's a nice detail. I really appreciate it. Here are the cross members, right? The supporting. Here are all those 4 wires. The additional 4 sides. Here you can see standing those sides. That's the box, right? I also want to show you that this system is versatile. So they are actually showing in that manual that you can make multiple connections, right? You can go up, down. You can basically try even to make like a work table. Also, what is pretty cool, you can buy all those parts extra later. And I say you can even make like a workbench or a table. I saw it at my neighbor's garage. Let's go and see if he will let us in. Alright, so he was nice enough to let us in, and this was his idea how to use this wonderful rack. So as you can see, it's all up to your imagination what you will do with this. So here you got it. You saw the unboxing. I even show you the possible other uses which people figure out, right? And that's it. I need to keep moving. I don't have a time filming every detail how I will put it together. But I hope this video is helpful. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumb up. And as usually, be subscribed because I will have more videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.